Hello, good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Very good. So class, it's time to begin with our today's classes and I hope you have attended your prayer session and must have done your yoga also. So as the winters are approaching now, ठंडी का मौसम आ रहा है. So it is really good for you if you do your yoga every day. It will increase immunity in you. It will increase flexibility in you. So please keep your yoga classes as we are sharing it every day. So make it a point that you have to do it. Clear? So before sitting for your classes, just finish your prayer and your yoga positively. Understood that? Great. So now it's time to begin our classes. Today is 10th November 2020. So the date is 10th and the day is Tuesday. What is the day today? Tuesday. And today we are going to start our day with maths class. Clear? So in maths, in the previous class, we were learning about different number names. Then we have also done a revision of addition, subtraction with two-digit numbers, and we did put the sign where we have learned how to compare the numbers greater than, lesser than or equal to. This is what we have done till now, and of course we have completed our counting also till 170. So today I am going to tell you how you can compare two objects on the basis of their temperature. So what is temperature? Temperature is how hot something is, how much cold that other thing is. So temperature जब हमें किसी चीज की hotness या उसकी coldness के बारे में पता लगता है. Clear? Now for example, can you see I have drawn some pictures here. A cup of tea, then I have a glass of juice, then I have a ice cream cone, then we have a candle made of wax, then an ice cream, then we have some ice cubes and a bowl of soup. So these are the different things. Now how we are going to tell which is hot, which is cold? देखिए जो चीज गर्म होती है जिसको टच करते ही हमें पता लगता है ओह इट्स हॉट, हमारे हाथ में हॉटनेस आती है, गर्माहट आती है, वी कॉल दैट थिंग हॉट. क्लियर? नाउ द थिंग्स जिनको टच करके हमें ठंडा ठंडा फील होता है लाइक आइस वी हैव, we tell about those things that they are cold. And how we come to know? When we touch them. If you remember in your EVS class also I have taught you 5 sense organs. You remember that? And in those 5 sense organs I have told you the 5th sense is skin, where you feel, when you touch. Isn't it? So what touch, wo feel. We are feeling cold or we are feeling hot. समझ में आया? तो हमें कैसे पता लग रहा है? With the help of our sense organ. Which is that sense organ? Our skin, which is helping us to feel, to understand कि वो ठंडा है या गर्म है. So this is how we differentiate among the things on the basis of their temperature. Now, as you all know, winters are approaching. ठंडी का मौसम start हो गया है. Now, when you take a shower in the morning, what happens? अगर आप warm water में shower ले रहे हो, तो you will feel okay, comfortable. Then you are able to take your shower comfortably. But अगर आपको हम ठंडा water दें, if your mama don't lukewarm your water या आपको water hot ना मिले तो क्या होगा? You will feel cold. जब वो ठंडा ठंडा पानी हमारी body पे आता है, then we shiver. ऐसे shiver करते हैं हम. So what is that? Our body is understanding that the temperature, उस water का जो temperature है वो cold वाला है, वो ठंडा है. Clear? The temperature is low. जब वो पानी warm है, गर्म है और हम आराम से shower ले पा रहे हैं without any problem, that means the temperature is high और हम उसमें comfortable हैं. अब जब winters में ठंड लगती है, to keep yourself warm, what do? You wear sweaters. Sweater आपको warmth देते हैं. If you are sitting at home, you are watching your television and you are feeling cold, what do? You sit in a blanket. तो देखिए when your legs are covered from blanket, आपकी leg warm हो जाती है, and if you don't cover your hand, वो ठंडे रहते हैं. This is how the best example you can differentiate between hot and cold. Clear? Now few very easy examples. Now if you see at this picture, if your mother is or your any elder at home is taking a cup of tea or coffee, or if your mama is giving you milk in the morning or in the evening, जब वो आपको सर्व करती हैं, are you able to touch it there and then? आप उसी टाइम उसको टच कर पाते हो? No. Why? Because it is very hot. बहुत तेज गर्म होता है. And when we touch it, जब हम उस hot cup को टच करते हैं, एकदम से हमारा हाथ दूर करना पड़ता है, because we feel कि हमारा हाथ जल गया. Isn't it? Don't you feel like that? Burning सी feel हो जाती है, and you take off your hand. Clear? So that means it is hot. Now, if I talk about ice cream, we all love to eat ice cream, but when? In summer season. Winters में खाएंगे तो गला खराब हो जाएगा, isn't it? You will catch cold. So you all love to eat in winter season or summer season? In summer season. And why? To keep us cool. अपने आप को ठंडा रखने के लिए we enjoy ice creams, juices, isn't it? ये सब चीजें हम कब enjoy करते हैं? Summer season में, जब हमें गर्मी लगती है, and to soothe ourselves, अपने आप को थोड़ा सा comfortable feel करने के लिए we prefer taking cold water. आप ठंडा पानी पीते हैं. Then you prefer taking a shower in swimming pool जिसका पानी ठंडा होता है. At home also you prefer taking shower in cold water during summer season. Then now tell me, do anyone prefer going for swimming in winter season? No, because water is cold. हम तो घर में ही रहना है, गर्म पानी में नहाना है, गर्म पानी में हमें वेजिटेबल्स भी वॉश गर्म पानी में करने में अच्छा लगता है. And if you see during winter season we prefer drinking hot water, isn't it? So the things when we come to know whether they are hot or they are cold, how and when we come to know? When we touch them, when we feel them. And who is telling us? Our skin, which is one of the sense organ. Is that clear to all of you? Now to make it more clear, we are going to color some things in the book. But first, what we are going to do here, we are going to put a tick mark for those things which are hot. Winter season आ रहा है ना, hot things अच्छे लगते हैं. So we are going to put the tick to the things which are hot. Clear? Now, a cup of coffee. A hot cup of coffee will be hot. So what I'll do, I'll put a tick here. Now, can you tell me, a glass of juice having some ice in it will be hot or cold? जब आप उसको touch करेंगे, when you will touch that glass, you will feel hot or you will feel cold? We'll feel cold. उसको पकड़ के हमें ठंडा ठंडा लगेगा. Okay. Now, if I ask you to taste an ice cream, so how will you feel? Your tongue, उसको कैसा feel आएगा? Something hot or something cold? ठंडा ठंडा लगेगा. Isn't it? tongue पे जब आप आइसक्रीम को टच करोगे, you feel ठंडा ठंडा सा. And when you drink milk, आपको tongue पे पता लग जाता है it's hot. Isn't it? Okay, next we have is a candle. Now see, whenever a candle burn, जब भी कोई candle burn करती है, तो उसका wax melt होता है. Isn't it? जो ये wax होता है, वो melt होता है. And when it get melt, if you will don't do that at home, it is very dangerous. तो by mistake अगर आप उसका melting wax touch करते हैं, you feel very hot, थोड़ा सा जल जाता है. Don't do it at home, आपका हाथ जल जाएगा. I'm just telling you, it happens. आप मम्मा से पूछना, कभी ना कभी मम्मा के साथ हुआ होगा. She will share her experience. तो that means जो melting wax है वो बहुत hot होता है. And whenever by mistake वो आपके hand पे गिर जाता है, वो तो what happens? You feel very hot. Clear? So again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a tick here. Now, as this ice cream, if you go and take a candy ice cream, or you can say a stick ice cream, again you will feel cold, isn't it? Next we have is a bowl of soup. So, if garam soup ban ke aa raha hai, and wow, how will you feel? Is it hot or is it cold? It's hot, yes. So taking soups every day in the evening. So I prefer that in winter season you should also take soup of different variations like tomato soup, we have vegetable soup, we have sweet corn soup. So you can try those things, that is also good for you. And whenever you will touch a bowl of soup, when it is served you, the fresh one, you will feel hot. Okay. Next are ice cubes. Again, if you get a chance and you have some ice in the fridge, आप उसको जाके touch करो, you will feel cold. Understood? तो अब हम temperature पे कैसे differentiate करना सीखा है? Either it is hot or it is cold. Understood? Now open your book on page number 119. So book page number 119. When you will open this book, you will find the topic, and to understand it more clearly, to understand this topic better, we are going to do some activities here, and then you will be able to understand it. Okay? So now class, let's see how we are going to do our work in book today. Okay? So in your book, you have to open page number 119. So now when you will open your book on page number 119, you will find the topic hot and cold. So this is the topic that we were discussing about. What is hot? Hot means जो चीज़ गर्म होती है, and cold something which is ठंडा. Clear? Hot is गर्म and cold is ठंडा. So what we are going to do? We are going to do this work in our notebook. How we are going to do? First we will write today's date. So what is the date today? 10th November 2020. So like this, write down the date and CW here. Understood? Now, in each set, circle the cold thing and color the hot thing. Now see, there are some set of pictures given to you. Like we have an ice cream, a cup of tea, we have a candle, again a popple ice cream, popple stick ice cream, we have a cup of noodles, then we have a glass of juice, then we have pudding, you can say it a fruit salad, then we have not a pudding, it's a fruit salad, then we have pizza, we have a bonfire, and we have some ice cubes. Now what you have to do, you have to compare these pictures and circle the cold things. तो अब हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? We are going to circle those things which are cold. जिनको touch करने से cold feel होता है, we are going to circle those pictures first. Okay, now if we discuss about this ice cream and a cup of tea or coffee, can you tell me which can be cold? Ice cream or this cup? क्या होगा cold? It will be an ice cream here. So what we will do, we are going to circle it out like this. Understood? Next, we have a candle, a burning candle, and again an ice cream. Now tell me which thing will be cold, this burning candle or this ice cream? Again ice cream. So what we will do, we are going to circle this ice cream like this. Done? Now in the next picture we have a cup of noodles and a glass of juice. And if you will look carefully, this glass of juice is also having some ice cubes in it. अब जब किसी चीज़ में ice cube होता है, so can you tell me वो कैसा होगा, ठंडा या गर्म? Whether it will be hot or cold? It's going to be cold. So what we will do, I'm going to circle this picture now. Understood? Next we have is fruit salad. See, a lot of fruits are there, we can see. And here we have a pizza. Now tell me which thing can be cold? A fruit salad or a pizza? The bowl of fruits, a fruit salad. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको सर्कल कर देंगे. फ्रूट्स को गर्म करके तो नहीं खाते हम लोग, नेवर एवर ना. कभी खाया है फ्रूट को गर्म करके? नो. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज अ बॉनफायर एंड सम आइस क्यूब्स. ये देखिए ये बॉनफायर है एंड दीज आर आइस क्यूब्स. ये थोड़ा थोड़ा मेल्ट हो रही हैं. नाउ टेल मी, इन दोनों को अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे तो ठंडा क्या होगा? बॉनफायर ठंडा होगा या आइस क्यूब्स? आइस क्यूब्स. So what you are going to do? You are going to circle these ice cubes. Is that clear to all of you? Now, what next? Color the hot things. अब हमें क्या करना है? जो things hot हैं, you have to color them all. ठीक है, उनको क्या करना है? हमें color करना है. कैसे करेंगे? So for this, take your pencil colors. So here I have all the pencil colors. Now we have a cup of coffee. So you can take your brown color and you can do it like this. So like this, you are going to color those things which are hot now. Understood how you are going to do that? So always use pencil colors for your book work. So like this, we'll color this hot cup. A cup of soup, it can be, sorry, not soup, it can be milk, it can be coffee, it can be tea, anything. Now next we have is a candle. So what I'll do, I'll color this candle with green color like this. So you can use any color of your choice, it's all your work. Your favorite color can be used here. So use your favorite color. I'm using green color for candle. And then I'm using red color for this burning part with some orange also. Understood? Like this. Now next we have is a cup of noodles. So again we are going to color it. So whenever you love, I know you all love eating noodles. So whenever you eat noodles, मम्मा बोलते हैं ना गरम गरम खाने चाहिए noodles. Otherwise वो जब थोड़े से ठंडे हो जाते हैं, उनका टेम्परेचर लो हो जाता है. What happens? Sticky से हो जाते हैं and we don't like eating them, isn't it? So whenever we are eating noodles, we should eat them hot. Like this. Next we have is a pizza. So you can use again any color of your choice for this. So like this you will color your pizza. You can use some green color to show capsicum here, some red color for tomatoes, some yellow for the cheesy part. So you can use variant colors to do this. Next we have is a bonfire. So for this bonfire, for the wooden part, wooden logs, we'll do brown color like this. Okay, क्योंकि लकड़ियों से ही होता है ना bonfire ready. So we burn wood. Now we have yellow, red and orange color. We are going to mix it here. Now can you see a magic here? When I am putting red color and yellow color together, it itself is turning out into orange color. You remember we have done these experiments also, color mixing. So like this, we'll color our bonfire. So class, understood? The things that are cold, we have circled them here, and the things which are hot, we have colored them. This is how you are going to finish your today's work. Okay? So class, I hope you have understood how we can differentiate the things on the basis of their temperature. So ये hot है या cold है, what is that? Temperature. किसी चीज का क्या temperature होता है. Understood? अब कई बार हमें fever होता है, हम hot हो जाते हैं, तो जो मम्मा थर्मोमीटर से चेक करते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, हमारा टेम्परेचर चेक करते हैं। जब डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं वो भी थर्मोमीटर लगाते हैं, तो वो भी हमारा टेम्परेचर चेक करते हैं। क्लियर? सो इफ यू वांट टू चेक द टेम्परेचर, actually the device which we use to check the temperature is called thermometer. But अगर हमें generally check करना है, so we can touch and we can check whether it is hot or it is cold. मम्मा भी जब कभी फीवर आता है सबसे पहले आपको ऐसे ऐसे चेक करती है ना मम्मा, फोरहेड पे, चिक पे, देन ऑन योर नेक, मम्मा ऐसे टच करके चेक करती हैं। इफ शी फील्स कि बहुत हॉट हो, then she use the thermometer. So this is the best way to understand whether the thing is hot or cold, how to touch and to feel it. Clear? Now it's time for you to finish this work and get ready for your today's EVS class. Okay?